Faith, discipline, and selfless devotion to duty, there is nothing worthwhile that you cannot achieve. Think 100 times before you take a decision, but once that decision is taken, stand by it as one man. There are two powers in the world. One is the sword and the other is the pen. There are great competition and conflict between the two. There is a third power stronger than both, that of the woman. I do not believe in taking the right decision. I take a decision and make it right. No struggle can ever succeed without women participating side by side with men. Nations who love and sacrifice for their countries find the honorable place in history. If you will work in cooperation, forgetting the past, burying the cleaver, you are bound to succeed. Failure is a word unknown to me.